Hello everyone! So today ay lumabas kaming dalawa ng aking husband for a lunch date. And we're both craving for Japanese ramen. Here in Way's Kitchen, they offered non-halal foods. Especially nakakamiss talaga kumain din ng kalaban. Yun yung tawag nila kapag sa pork. Again, it's non-halal foods. Pasok tayo! The name of this resto is Way's Kitchen. And ito na nga ang kanilang menu. So, pipili na tayo ng pinakamasarap at bestseller na ramen dito sa Way's Kitchen. At ito na nga mga pinili namin. Tonkatsu ramen, gyoza, char siu. At ito na nga, tikman na. Talaga namang napakasarap ng kanilang tonkatsu ramen. Let's try the noodles. The ramen noodles are thin and has a chewy texture. Now let's try the fried pork wonton. Looking on the outside, it has a crispy texture and a flavorful feeling. And now it's my turn to try my favorite gyoza. Ang sarap talaga namang pagkain nila dito, guys. It's a must-try non-halal food here in Brunei.